Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your referral credits on Whatnot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have referral credits on Whatnot and you want to go ahead and use them. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, when you first log on to Whatnot, and then click on the referral amount on the top right hand corner, you can see all the referrals and how much referral credits you have. Now, in order to use your referral credits, this automatically gets applied anytime you actually make a purchase on Whatnot. So you don't technically have to forcibly use it, but by buying stuff on Whatnot, your credits automatically get used. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your referral credits on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.